Hello friends, welcome to Travel Country. Today we are taking you on an amazing journey to the Switzerland, the heart of Europe, and a land of breathtaking beauty, timeless culture, and fascinating history. From snow-covered peaks to medieval towns, Switzerland is more than just a travel destination, it's a story waiting to be told. We'll take you on a journey through Switzerland's unique heritage, iconic landmarks, and the everyday life that makes it one of the most admired countries in the world. Chapter 1. The land of natural beauty. Switzerland's natural beauty is legendary. The towering Alps offer some of the most spectacular mountain views on Earth, while its lakes, like Lake Geneva and Lake Lucerne, are mirror-like treasures nestled between green valleys. In every season, Switzerland's landscapes leave travelers speechless. Chapter 2. A glimpse into Swiss history. Switzerland's story begins over 700 years ago. In 1291, three regions formed a confederation that would grow into the modern Swiss state. Known for its neutrality and independence, Switzerland remained untouched through both world wars. Its democratic roots, multilingual population, and commitment to peace continue to define its national character. Chapter 3. Swiss culture and traditions. Swiss culture is a vibrant blend of German, French, Italian, and Romansh influences. From the melodic echoes of yodeling in the mountains to colorful festivals in small villages, Swiss traditions are preserved with pride. Cheesemaking, watchmaking, and the love for precision reflect a people who value quality and heritage. Chapter 4. Innovation and modern Switzerland. Switzerland is not only about history, it's also a symbol of progress. With world-class universities, cutting-edge research, and efficient public services, the country is a global leader in science, education, and sustainability. The Swiss are known for their punctuality, cleanliness, and innovative spirit. Chapter 5. The taste of Switzerland. Swiss cuisine offers a delicious journey of its own. Whether it's the world-famous Swiss chocolate, traditional cheese fondue, or hearty mountain dishes, the flavors of Switzerland are rich in taste and tradition. Don't forget to try Rusty, a crispy potato dish loved by locals and visitors alike. Chapter 6. Iconic places to visit. Every corner of Switzerland has something unique to offer. Visit Zermatt to see the iconic Matterhorn. Walk through the medieval streets of Lucerne and Bern. Experience cosmopolitan charm in Zurich and ride the train to Jungfrau Oka, the top of Europe. Switzerland is a perfect mix of adventure and elegance. Chapter 7. Switzerland's role in the world. Switzerland plays a quiet but vital role on the world stage. Geneva is home to numerous international organizations, including the Red Cross and parts of the United Nations. The country's tradition of neutrality and diplomacy makes it a hub for peacekeeping and global cooperation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring documentaries.